So today I'll tell you how to push forward your applications which are curated by all the job aggregators that you see on LinkedIn and get an advantage ahead of your peers. So when you see a post like this, go to the LinkedIn page of the company and click on jobs. Click on see all jobs and land on this page. Now apply all the relevant filters and you'll see that the posting which was highlighted there are all of those jobs are visible now on the page. Let's take another example of, let's say, this job. Go to the LinkedIn page. The job role is content writing internship. Again, follow the same procedure and you'll see that you have found the right post of the job. Now you can easily apply by clicking on this link and you don't have to wait till the job aggregator gives you the link to apply. In another example, sometimes due to a typo error or a spelling mistake, you're not able to find the job. So in this case, you can also search by searching for the job profile. So statistical forecaster is not available in Hewlett Packard Enterprise. But when I search statistical forecaster on LinkedIn, it will automatically give me the profile of which is available in the jobs. So it was actually listed by HP, not Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Next, I want to highlight the most important aspect of applying to jobs, which is referral. And sometimes you can take advantage of that instead of going through the normal application route by applying or submitting your resume on a link. What you can do is search for the profile which is available. So in this case, VMware intern. Now I see a job which is available, but there is also another way by which I will seek a referral from somebody who has posted this job. So I'll go to content, search for recent posts, and you'll see that this person has listed out this job. Now he is probably the key recruiter who's looking for a candidate. So in case I apply directly to him or seek a referral from him, it would increase my chances of being noticed rather than a systemated resume which is often read by a machine. So you can see it is the same job profile which was listed. I hope you have liked this short tutorial. Please share it with someone who needs to see this. Thanks.